In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by accessing two of your apps in the background. When you're ready, you need to open background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the right. I will go with Chrome. Then click on the icon of it available at the top. Select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!